Each year, dozens of deserving scientists and humanitarians are considered for the Peter and Patricia Gruber Foundation's series of international awards. While the philanthropy of Peter and Patricia Gruber is at the heart of the prizes, a distinguished peer advisory board decides who will be honored, bringing the awards to life.
The advisory board, we consider the soul of the prize, and it's on the advisors that the integrity of the prize rests and the quality of the recipients are determined.
It's more like a family of people. There's a personal quality to it all. It's not like an institution giving a prize.
We laugh, we applaud, we cry, and I think we're joined with those recipients in a bond because the work that they're doing is so meaningful, and they believe the work that we're doing is equally meaningful.
The Gruber Foundation's mission is to reward discoveries and contributions that have the greatest impact on human knowledge and culture.
The primary criterion is excellence and how it helps recognition of the field as a whole.
The advisors work in partnership with highly regarded professional organizations. Many Gruber Award recipients join the panel, working to shape the future of the awards, which continue to expand in scope.
Cosmology is the most scientifically rigorous, aesthetically elegant, and the most poetic of the sciences.
Peter Gruber's early fascination with the universe was the inspiration for the Foundation's first prize, Cosmology. In 2000, the Gruber Foundation began rewarding modern pioneers who seek to unlock the mysteries of the solar system and beyond.
It makes it clear that the rest of the astronomers are interested in what you're doing, and it makes all the nitty-gritty very rewarding.
I don't know if we really appreciate the flow of history and fate, the forces that come together for a moment to do something magnificent.
To acknowledge that they had done something extraordinary in teaching us something about the origins of the universe was really exciting.
The science of genetics is one of the most far-reaching of the sciences, with its potential to alleviate human suffering.
Obviously, genetics is enormously important to all of us. There are going to be enormous advances in the next few years.
Since 2001, the Genetics Prize has honored monumental accomplishments in the field of genetics research.
The genetics research that most of us here are involved with, it's important for the future of medicine. It's important for if the diverse peoples of the earth are ever to truly understand how they're all related to each other. And it's important for us as a species if we're going to learn to live in equilibrium with the earth.
We will shine the light on a field that has much to contribute for at least the next 100 years.
In 2004, the Gruber Foundation added the rapidly advancing field of neuroscience to its series of awards.
40 years ago, the field of neuroscience hardly existed.
We really are at the cusp of major discoveries in the brain that will bring together discoveries from other fields, not just the ones that we have made, and have them converge in really exciting and novel ways.
And the implications for serious brain diseases like schizophrenia, manic depressive illness, Alzheimer's disease is very considerable.
In tandem with its prize program, the Gruber Foundation partners with professional organizations to sponsor the Young Scientist Award Fellowships.
What we are working on now, this entirely new class of gene regulatory molecules, is, I think, going to be a somewhat significant contribution. We didn't even recognize they existed 5 years ago.
Justice redresses the arbitrary use of power by an individual or by a group.
The Gruber Foundation's Justice Prize honors the courage and conviction of individuals whose influence helps to shape just societies.
If we do not protect democracy, democracy will not protect us.
Never more we want to have this sort of dictatorship in my country.
And why do you pursue justice? Because you never know fully whether you can achieve justice. But what you can see is what is being unfair to the poor, to the needy, to the displaced. And you fight injustice, then you strive towards achieving justice.
Justice, to me, is the most defining need the world has. From it flows everything.
Our hope is to redress restrictive laws and customs that deprive women not only of their human rights, but also of their ability to enrich the human condition.
Sometimes it may seem kind of trite that we're still talking about celebrating or commemorating the accomplishments of women. But that has to be done to remind people that women are strong and that they are, in fact, true and born leaders.
Judge Pillay ruled that rape is a war crime and can be genocide and under certain circumstances.
The rape and sexual violence with the intention of destroying the Tutsi group constituted genocide.
The focal point for the administration should be the needs of investigation, trial, and the delivery of judgments.
We want to call attention to where women are contributing to making a difference. It's targeting people in the countries who are doing innovative things that come from their own visions.
Thank you for such a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful award.
An individual can actually make a difference. It is possible. And that's what this award is trying to. It's not going to the fashionable issues as much as the substance of the issues.
For their unique contributions to human knowledge, widening the horizon of world culture, and positively shaping the social fabric and structure of our institutions, the Peter and Patricia Gruber Foundation is honored to recognize champions of humanity and science as architects for a better future.